Hello everybody, this is Mark with Justice League of Credit. So today we are going to answer some most common questions that we normally get a lot, and today I'm going to answer those. Most questions that we normally get is, well, why do I have to get a credit monitoring service? Or why do I have to input my credit card information to get my credit report? Or how come I can't use Credit Karma or Experian? So let's get right to it. The service that we offer for our customers is, before any customer enroll into our program, we offer a free credit analysis. Most people would charge, a buttload just to do an analysis of your credit report. We don't do that. The condition is that you do have to get a copy of your own credit report, because we're not authorized to get your credit report on our end. You have to do that from you. Plus, when you get your own report, you're not implementing a hard inquiry on your credit report. It's just basically a soft pull where you're not affecting your credit score. So that's another reason why we require you to get your own credit report. Second is, well, how come I can't use Credit Karma? First off, Credit Karma is a bad word. We don't like Credit Karma, especially not around here. We do not recommend Credit Karma with anything. Credit Karma is there as a marketing tool to get you to apply for different credit cards and services that they offer. That's all Credit Karma is. It is not a credit monitoring service. They say they are, but they're not. The other one is, well, how come when I have to get my credit report, I have to input my credit card? Well, when you go and buy something, you have to, of course, you have to pay for it. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Or if you have to go get gas, there's no such thing as free gas like that unless somebody's paying for you. So with that being said, this is on your end, you have control of getting your own report, not us. So all the risk is with you. Second, ID Club is a secure third-party site that we recommend to all of our customers. And the reason why we use them is because of their security, and they protect everybody's information. We don't see your credit card information on the credit monitoring side. The only time we will see your information is when you, of course, submit payment with us on the credit repair side. That's it. But let's get started. So when you first get your credit report, or one of our team members send you a link to get a copy of your credit report, it's going to come with a free 7-day trial, where you have to pay $1 to get the report, and then after 7 days it's going to be $29.95. But that's after the 7-day trial has ended. It is required that you maintain a credit monitoring service throughout the duration of your credit restoration services. That is a requirement. And like I mentioned before, the reason why we need that credit monitoring service active at all times is because every 36 days, our team will update your credit file. On our end, we will do our own analysis. That way, when we update your portal information or your credit file, we will be able to send you the most recent update issues on your credit report, and we can give you accurate information. We do not like trying to guess exactly what issues you may have on your credit report without actually getting solid facts. We want a current and accurate report each time when we look at your credit report. Let's get started. So what you're going to do is you want to, of course, fill out your first, last name, city and state, phone number. Then second, it's going to ask you to enter your last four of your social, an email address, and I believe some other information. And then after that, it's going to ask you to verify your info. Basically, what you're doing is you're verifying to make sure that you are who you say you are, and that not just anybody is coming on this site trying to get your information. Everything is protected. And once you're finished answering those questions, At the end, it's going to ask you for your card information, which is going to charge your card $1. And then, as I said before, after the 7 days, it's going to charge your card $29.95. But again, that's what we need in order for our team, in order to keep an accurate report regarding your credit file at all times. All right. So once you're done, you're going to take the username and password, which is the username is mainly your email address. And then whatever password you come up with, you're going to either, if you're on the phone with our team, you're either going to, of course, recite your credentials, or you can text it or email it, whichever way that we communicated with you to get that those credentials. What we're going to do is we're going to input your information on our end, and then let's just do a test account real quick. Test account, and let's just do that. All right, so we're going to save it. So what we're going to do is we're going to input your credentials, your username, password, and then what we're going to do is we're going to import your credit report in our system, so that way we can get an accurate credit score on your profile. From there, we're able to pull up the actual credit report, and we can look at exactly what's affecting your scores. So everything is done for a reason. We're not just trying to have you go out and get your report from just any site. We're not like that. Everything works hand in hand. So that's why we ask you to do certain things for a reason. Everything has a purpose. So I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any questions or any concerns, feel free to reach out to our team, our customer service team at 904-339-8051. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Abracadabra and poof. I'm Mark with Justice League of Credit. And thank you for listening to this video. And I am out.